Hi guys, it's Suki again. Today we are looking at a Brickmania sticker pack. It's the World War II Japanese ammo crates and ration boxes. I purchased this for €6.50 at Brickissimo, and it is also available as time of this recording at Brickmania for $6. Neither Brickissimo nor Brickmania are sponsoring this video. I just thought I give you the information in case you want to purchase it yourself. So when I bought this, I was very excited because I wanted to use this sticker pack for a upcoming Japanese related World War II mock I'm currently working on. And when I received the sticker pack, I was very pleased with the optic of the prints. It feels very at home with what we get from Brickmania or United Bricks, from the major producers of custom Lego minifigures. So I was very satisfied with the overall look. And when I had a quick look at which parts I would need to finish off these crates and containers, I thought I'm already done, because looked very easy and I didn't thought much of it, which was a mistake. So let's have a look what we need. So these are the parts I used to create the finished containers. And as you see, nothing too special here, but a problem was that the sticker pack was less than clear what you have to use for what and in which numbers. So I will change the setting a little bit and I show it to you what I mean in specific. So to provide you with a little map for the rest of this video, first I will take a closer look at the sticker pack and the little manual that Brickmania provides you along with it. And I will point out a few things that may save you some time and trouble. After that, I will show you the finished containers with the stickers applied. And then I will give my opinion on stickers on brick build sets in general. I will give some examples. And finally, I will finish this video with a slideshow of each container and the bricks and pieces you need to assemble this container the way I did. So let's start. If we have a look at the sticker pack, so we have the sticker, and here you have on the little manual, it's just one page of course, what you need, and we have of course tiles on top, and below that it's plates. And if you have a look at the sticker pack, it is not in a real clear order. So we have here A, B, and D is 2 times on this sheet, and also E is 2 times on this sheet. And when you are mostly working with this one and you just have a look there, you at least I was in the situation that I had to look several times for pieces, because I did not realize at first that it was not straightforward, like 1A, 1B, etc., but that there are 2 duplicates, and also D is actually 2 times. So you are building 2 containers for this type of D, while D is also here. So of course, when you are concentrated, you have a good look at it. It is not difficult, but when you are think, okay, it's easy, I can do this, yeah, you probably will lose some time, because you will have to go to your brick containers time and time again. And also there is something that I almost couldn't believe. If we have a look at the F container in dark 10, you are supposed to use a 2x3 dark 10 brick and a 2x3 dark 10 tile. But Lego, and I work mostly with Lego, and I think a lot of other people will do as well, there is no such thing as a 2x3 brick from Lego, and of course you can solve this problem very easily by using 3 plates, 2x3 in dark 10, but I actually couldn't believe it, and I made a search online on Bricklink, and yes, there is no such thing, but if I knew it, I would have saved myself some time, and it was just would have been just easier going. So it was my first experience with a sticker pack, and I was not aware how this works, so I underestimated it. And if you have also no experience so far with it, I would be very happy if I would save you some time and trouble in this matter. So anyway, this is how we work with it, and I will make another change in settings so that we can see the finished containers. So, and there you have it, your Japanese armor crates and ration boxes. I will rotate it around a little so that we hopefully have everything in focus at some point. I think they all look really great. I think they will make nice additions in my Japanese related World War II mocks. And unfortunately I can't read Japanese, so it is a little up to debate which container is supposed to represent what. But unfortunately Brickmania didn't provide any additional information about what container is supposed to have in. But it looks nice anyway, and we can assume that B is probably a sack of rice. I think A could be a personal ration, and D most likely will contain ammunition, maybe infantry ammunition, while C looks like a ammunition pack for a MG. So anyway, I think they look great. If I had taken the assembly and the gathering of the parts a bit more serious from the beginning, I would have saved myself some trouble, and I wouldn't have lost time. But I learned something from this, and I really like what we are getting with the sticker pack. We are getting the ability to have options for our builds, and it comes at an affordable price, especially when you have the parts in your collection already. So I really appreciate it, and I will most likely go for other sticker packs from Brickmania. They have similar packs for the German military, for example, but they also have sticker packs for builds like tanks and airplanes. So I will try them as well, or at least some of them. So, and the next part of this video will be my opinion about stickers on and in brick build sets in general. So, and before we go on, just a quick look at the containers with a little bit of context applied. The Japanese soldier guarding the supplies. I think I really like these containers and the option to have stickers like that in my dioramas, and I'm really glad that I finally had a closer look at these, and yes, I really like them. So since it is very likely that I will be pretty harsh at sets that feature stickers, I think it is a good time and a necessary time to talk about stickers in general. So just to be clear, I like this sticker pack because it gives me options for my projects. It is not too expensive, and I decide which stickers I use and in which context. So it is really a very, very good thing for me. But when we look at the Lego world, for example, there are other types. So I would like to start with a very positive, a almost perfect sticker sheet from Lego, and I will explain why I think it is very good. So this sticker sheet is from a Harry Potter set in which you are building a suitcase, and you decide to which sticker you apply at this suitcase. And if you're familiar with Harry Potter, you see that you can go for different houses, Slytherin, for example. I'm not very familiar with Harry Potter, but I get the point. You decide what to put on, and you really have the option, but you are not forced to apply them in any certain way to give the set you are building the identity that it is intended. We have also a good example on how to combine good printed parts and stickers. So this, for example, is also from Harry Potter, and this is from the Moments collection. You are basically building books, and this very big and very good print is the cover of the book. So the identity of the set comes from this printing. It is high quality, and I think it is very well done. And the set gives you stickers that you can apply or not. It is up to your choice. If you, like me, bought the set for the parts, you can also use these stickers in a different setting. So if you like to get some foliage on a building in a Harry Potter setting or fantasy or medieval, you can do it. But if you, for example, think, oh, this sticker, this is terrible, don't use it at all, in which context, whoever. But you have the option, but still the identity of the set, the main thing, is printed and high quality. So well done. But because Lego is not only a company that does many things right, it is also one of the companies who should be very much ashamed of themselves. So this is one of the worst examples what can be done with a sticker. You are buying this Yoda set, this Yoda figure that you built, and you get this sticker. It is a expensive set with lots of parts, and it is considered of high value, and you are getting a sticker that is basically the identity of the set, and you have basically no option as to apply it to this plate for having the plaquette, the stand for the Yoda statue. So you can't use it in another context, or you don't should be very serious about it if you do. And a high value set is delivered with a sticker where definitely absolutely should be a print applied. So these are my 2 cents about stickers. Where stickers give you options, they are very, very welcome. But if you are forced to use a sticker where you definitely have the identity of the set that you are building, it is absolutely not okay that we or anyone is forced to use them. So anyway, I hope you found this video a little interesting. I would really appreciate to get your opinion about stickers, and feel free to drop a comment down below. And like I said, I will end this video with a slideshow of pictures that show each of these containers with the parts you need to build them. So thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you found it a little interesting, and I see you next time. Bye bye.